Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Fire 7 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So I believe that this video could be useful if, for example, you've accidentally changed the system language and you have no idea how to get into specific sections. So let me try to slowly show you. First of all, we have to open the settings, so the gear icon. Let's tap on it. Then we have to scroll all the way down, so no worries, just all the way down, and find the system option, again with a gear icon, and let's tap on it. Now we have to open languages, which are the second option. And here let's go to system languages, so the first option which you can choose. And here we've been transferred to the list of all, let's say, currently added languages. So in my case, I've got three of them. And if you've got your language here, so for example, let's pretend that the second language is my language, you can quickly reorder the languages, so in order to change them. So just tap on the language you'd like to apply, tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position and release your finger. Your device will ask you whether you'd like to change the system language, so just tap on change. And now everything is displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again because I have no idea what everything says here. Tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. And tap on this right option, right lower option, let's say. And it means change, so your device will apply the language. If your device will not show your language right here in this preferred language order section, no worries, because you can always tap on add a language. And here we will be transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do here is to scroll and find the language which you'd like to apply. So for example, I don't know, for example, this one. Just find the language and tap on it. And after tapping, your device will immediately apply the language to this previous list. So here, again, all you have to do is to tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position and release your finger. I will not do that. And if you wish to remove the languages here, just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Then mark the languages which you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon in the right upper corner. Then tap on remove. And we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.